Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, my Isnazi Mackenzie. Mommy loves you. I promise that I will always hug you every day and every night. And I always spend my life with you and Ate. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Utoy! I love you. You'll always be my funny, loving, caring, and a bit annoying brother. I love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Utoy! I love you, my son.
Hi Utoy! Happy 7th birthday! Wish din tita para sa'yo. Gusto ko lagi kang healthy, tapos laging mabait na bata, at huwag makakalimot laging magdasal. Love na love ka ng tiyahin mo. I love you Utoy! Happy birthday! Mwah! Hello Kiss Love ko! Happy birthday! Mama loves you so much. Be good boy na so Mama will not get mad. Okay? I love you. Happy birthday po. Mwah.
To Jed, happy birthday. I miss you.
Oy, Jen, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to ma'am. Papakabait ka. Mag-aaral mabuti.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hello, Jed. Tito Nyox here. Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy 7th birthday. Yan, 7 years old ka na. Palaging mag-aaral mabuti. Makikinig sa mami at daddy, tsaka sa ate. Tsaka alam ko naman napaka-smart yung mga bata. Nakikita ko sa mga video na ina-upload ng inyong mami sa YouTube channel. Yan, maraming salamat sa support sa channel ni Tito Nyox. And mag-ingat kayo palagi. Palagi mag-pray. And sana palagi wala tayong mga nararamdaman sa katawan. Yan lang. Happy birthday. Greetings from Finland. Bye bye. Keep safe.
Hi Utoy, happy birthday to you. Malaki ka na, hindi na ikaw yung baby ko, parang kailan lang. So, I love you so much, anak, and see you soon. Thank you so much for everything. And be a good boy always to your mom, to your dad, and to your ate. Enjoy your day.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jed. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jed.
Happy birthday! I hope for you good life, and good healthy, and good boy. I love you. Habibi. Love you. Happy birthday from Tita Shirin. Bye.
Hi Utoy! What's up? Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Continue being a good boy to your mommy, daddy, and ate. And your titas also. Wish ko sana matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo. And don't forget to pray always. Tita Ami loves you.
Happy birthday, Jed. Stay kind and friendly. God bless you. See you soon. Happy birthday, Jed. Thanks for being my friend. God bless.
Happy birthday, Jed. May your day be full of love, fun, and laughter. God bless you.
Hi, Poging Jed. It's me, your Ate Mint Green. Today is your day, your special day actually. Gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy 7th birthday. May your day be as awesome as you are, filled with love, laughter with all your favorite families and friends. Let this day be unforgettable to you, Jed. Binata ka na, Jed. Hindi ka na baby. Prepare yourself for a new journey and adventures. Again, happy 7th birthday. May God bless you always and enjoy your day. Jed, thank you for inviting me.
Happy 7th birthday, Utoy! God bless you!
Happy birthday, Utoy! I love you. Chup chup, mama. More birthdays to come.
Jed, happy birthday sa iyo. More birthday to come.
Sana ay masaya ka ngayong birthday, malayo sa sakit, laging sundin ang mami at daddy, laging magsimba, more birthday. Happy 7th birthday, Jed.
Ayan. Hello. Kararating ko lang galing sa work. Tulugan na sila kaya ako na lang ang babate. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Pagbati mula sa Panganiban family here in New Zealand. I love you, Utoy Mackenzie. Happy 7th birthday. Bye.
Hello Utoy, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and more blessings to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, Utoy! God bless you, love you!
Miss you, ate. Long time no see. Anyways, happy birthday to your son, ate. Happy birthday. Let him enjoy, ah. Bring him to Farmville.
Happy birthday, Utoy! I love you. You will always be my funny, loving, caring, and a bit annoying brother. I love you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy
Later you open.
birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Utoy! Happy birthday. Blow the candle na. Blow. What is your wish? Blow. 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 Happy birthday. I love you.